In today's video, we will be checking out some of the assets that we analyzed this week and see what is going on right there. Okay. And of course, I will also be using the opportunity to explain to you the same strategy which I am using right here so that you too can learn it and start applying it from your end. Okay. But before I go into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with GainX 1200, and I'm on 15-minute time frame. So guys, just like you guys have known, I the strategy which I have been preaching in most of my videos is actually trend trading strategy. Actually, it is not compulsory for you all to use the same strategy I am using. Okay, you can have a strategy that is working for you. Just make sure you master it very well. Follow the instruction to the last each time you are trading, and so far it is giving you profits on daily basis, then definitely you have no regret. Okay, all you just need to do is just to continue using it in order for you to have consistent results on daily basis. Okay, but this is the one that has been working for me for over a year. It is called a trend trading strategy, and it gives me peace of mind using it. And the reason is, all I just need to do just to follow 4 steps. Okay, and with these 4 steps I can turn off my system and go to sleep. Okay, and that is how beautiful it is. Okay, so first thing which I need to do is to identify the current trend of the chart and see if I can enter the trade using the current trend. If I cannot, I move to the second step. The second step is I need to wait for it to switch from that current trend into a new trend. Okay, and those places where we usually switch, where we usually find switching of trend from one trend to another are called the support and resistance zone. So this actually move us to the third step. Okay, the third step is you should be able to identify the support and resistance zone, because these are the places where we usually are switching of trend taking place, and there can also be breakouts from there. So that will help you to know what you should go for at that particular point. Okay, then the last thing is, after understanding the trend and trying to see how you can go into the trade, you should be able to set an order in the right way. You should be able to set your order in the right way. When I say setting your order in the right way, it means that you should also be able to set a good stop loss for yourself in order for you to milk the market and secure your capital and your profit. It is as simple as that. Now, let's see how we are able to put all these things into use in order to milk the market for ourselves this week. This is GainX 1200. I remember very well when this got to the support zone and it was playing around there, I realized that it's not going to break out from the support zone. Okay, so I had to wait for it to switch. When it switched at this point and gave me a buy signal right from here, so I quickly set up these trades. Okay, entry point, stop loss. Okay, and I highlighted some TPs for ourselves right here. Although this trade is kind of very slow, okay, because of the movement. You can see the movement having a big drawdown, okay, or pullback in between. Okay, so but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So, and I told you that it's going to be following this support trend line, and as you can see, each time it gets to the support trend line, it pulls up. It gets to the support trend line, it pulls up. Get there, around there again, pulls up. Okay, so you can see it has been doing that. Right now it has broken out fully into an uptrend, and you can see it buying. So with this, what have we achieved? TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, then TP5 have just been achieved. Okay, and of course, guys, we let me see, we still have we still have TP6 and TP7. Okay, those are the last two set of TPs which we feel we can still achieve here. Okay, that's for GainX 1200. Let's check out GainX 999. This is GainX 999. We actually milked this particular asset on downtrend till it got to this region. And however, just the way we have seen it, okay, this had been on downtrend right from here, and it took a long time before it went into a full uptrend. And 2 days ago, I told us that this if this is not going to break out from this support zone, it will switch into an uptrend. And yesterday, I told us that because this has been on a very strong uptrend, we need to be very sure if it's going to buy. Okay, so and I said we need it to break out above this resistance trend line. And of course, if it does not and it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, but if it breaks out above the resistance trend line, then definitely it's going to buy more. You can see it broke out above it. And I said once it breaks out above it and close that candle that was drawn in before and opens a new candle, you can now place your order. Okay, you can see this is it, guys. We got the uptrend signal around there. We got the buy signal, and this is it. It is buying, and it is still buying, having a pullback at the moment, probably because of this. Then, once it is done with that, it's most likely for it to shoot up again and buy more. Okay, so if you are not yet into it, wait for this sell signal to change into a buy signal. Once you get a buy signal, you can jump into it, set up your trade, and milk the market. Okay, it is as simple as that. Let's move on, guys. Now to pain X. Okay, this pain X, I think it was 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago, I told us that. Okay, was it 2 days ago or yesterday? Phoenix 1200. Okay, I think it was 2 days ago. I said if it breaks out below, oh, here is a channel which it has been moving in between. I said if it should breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. And yesterday it happened. And check it out. It breaks out below. It gave us a sell signal at this point, and you can see it selling more, achieving all the TPs. These are the highlighted TPs I gave us. I like the TPs I gave us, and of course the entry point, the stop loss, and of course I decided to come in around here because I wanted to be sure if it's going to really break out below the be below this support trend line. Okay, so and it happened, and of course you can see TP1 achieved, 2 achieved, 3 achieved, 4 achieved, and 5 achieved. Okay, that is how we do it within our channel, both YouTube channel and Telegram channel. It is as simple as that. Okay, you can also learn the strategy, practice it, and perfect it very well so that you can use it to generate signals for yourself. Okay, so it is as simple as that. So let's move on, guys. Let's move on. This is GainX, I mean PinX 999. For PinX 999, 3 days ago, we actually milked these assets. I dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and of course, I think I got this set up later on in the afternoon, so I was unable to use it for video. So I dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. So this is the entry point. This is the stop loss. In short, it didn't take time. We use it to trade spikes. It didn't take time, and we traded multiple spikes. Okay, I think about let me check about how many candles did we get from here. 25 candles. You can imagine using it to trade spikes. We use it to milk 25 candles. That's so amazing, guys. So TP1 achieved, 2 achieved, 3 achieved, 4 achieved, 5 achieved, and 6 have also been achieved. Okay, so that's so amazing. And it is still selling, guys. That's even the funniest thing. It is still selling. So you guys can take advantage of that right from there. Now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend for a very long time. Just where we have seen it. We actually milked it right from the beginning, but at the time uh, we just allow it to run on a free stuff like that, okay? Because we have been milking and milking and milking and hoping that it will go back fully into an uptrend, but we have not been able to achieve that. So it got to this support zone, and we felt that it should go into an uptrend if it breaks out from here. Of course, it tried to go into and bought for a while, and you can see it forming an arc again. Okay, so this is going to mean two things. Okay, the first thing is when we have a kind of symbol like this, we are most likely to have more selling opportunity, most especially if it breaks out from here. Okay, if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell. There's no doubt about it. Okay, but this can also mean another thing. If it does not break out from here and it switch into an uptrend, this is giving us a kind of W vibes also. Then the last leg of W is always a buy signal, which is usually long buy signals. Okay, so probably you might also be having a buy signals. However, whichever one that is going to happen, either we are going to sell or we are going to buy. Make sure you get all the necessary signals. For a sell, it's going to be when it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, but for a buy, it's going to switch into an uptrend, okay, and give you buy signal, uptrend signal, and then you can jump into it and buy. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, you guys can take advantage of all these and use it to make the market for yourself. I will be stopping right here. You can see that the strategy is so simple. You just need to know what you're doing in order to get the best out of it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.